So if you're not measuring the right thing, your conclusions will be flawed. But what it does is just fosters the next generation of CPAP wearers, which we already know is a problem. More chronic disease. So at some point we have to take a stand and not put our children on medication for a problem that's really a breathing problem. Understand that our modern environment has adversely affected the way our population has grown.